In today's world, securing your cryptocurrency investments is more crucial than ever. With the rise in cyber threats, hacks, and scams, ensuring that your assets are protected should be a top priority. In this video, we'll dive into the best practices for safeguarding your digital assets, from choosing the right wallets to using two-factor authentication and beyond. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned investor, learning how to secure your crypto holdings can help you avoid costly mistakes and ensure peace of mind. Let's explore how to protect your investments effectively. Today, we will talk about how to secure your cryptocurrency investments. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Cryptocurrency has revolutionized the financial world, providing new opportunities for investment, savings, and wealth generation. But with the rise of digital assets comes the increasing threat of security risks. Hacks, scams, and security breaches have been a part of the cryptocurrency landscape. And if you're holding crypto, you need to be aware of these threats and take the necessary steps to protect your investments. In this video, we will explore how to secure your cryptocurrency investments and protect them from potential risks. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding how to secure your crypto is essential to ensure your digital assets remain safe. 1. Use a secure wallet. The first and most crucial step in securing your cryptocurrency investments is choosing a secure wallet. Cryptocurrency wallets come in two forms: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet and are more convenient for frequent transactions. However, because they are online, they are more vulnerable to hacks and malware. Examples of hot wallets include mobile wallets, desktop wallets, and web-based wallets, like those from Coinbase or MetaMask. Cold wallets, or hardware wallets, on the other hand, are offline and are considered far more secure. These are physical devices that store your private keys and protect them from online threats. Popular cold wallets include Ledger, Trezor, and KeepKey. Using a cold wallet is recommended for holding large amounts of cryptocurrency or for long-term investments, since it keeps your private keys out of reach from hackers. To maximize security, it's a good idea to store most of your assets in cold storage, while using a hot wallet for smaller amounts that you need for day-to-day transactions. 2. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. One of the simplest and most effective ways to add an extra layer of security to your crypto accounts is by enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA. This process requires you to provide a second piece of information, typically a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password when logging into your account. Most cryptocurrency exchanges, wallets, and services now offer 2FA. Google Authenticator, Authy, and other authentication apps are common tools used to generate time-sensitive verification codes. Enabling 2FA can protect your account even if your password is compromised. Remember, never use SMS-based 2FA for critical accounts, as it can be vulnerable to SIM swapping attacks. Instead, opt for app-based or hardware, token-based 2FA solutions like Google Authenticator or YubiKey. 3. Be wary of phishing scams. Phishing scams are one of the most common ways hackers gain access to crypto accounts. These scams involve tricking you into revealing your private information, such as your wallet's private keys or your login credentials, by impersonating trusted entities. Phishing attacks can come in the form of fake emails, messages, or websites that appear legitimate. Always verify the website URL before entering your login details, and never click on suspicious links or download files from untrusted sources. Always double-check that you are visiting the official website of the platform you're interacting with. 4. Use strong passwords and password managers. Strong passwords are essential for securing your cryptocurrency accounts. A strong password is typically long, contains a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, and is not easily guessable. Never use the same password for multiple accounts, and avoid using easily guessed information like your name, birthday, or common words. Consider using a password manager to generate and store complex passwords for each of your accounts. Password managers like LastPass, Dashlane, and 1Password are popular tools that can help you create strong, unique passwords for each platform and keep them secure. 5. Back up your private keys. Your private keys are the foundation of your cryptocurrency security. If someone gains access to your private keys, they can access your funds. For this reason, it's essential to back up your private keys in a secure way. When setting up a wallet, you'll typically be given a recovery phrase, a set of 12 to 24 words, that acts as your backup key. Store this phrase somewhere safe, such as on paper in a safe place, or in a secure location like a safe deposit box. 6. Keep your software updated. Whether it's your wallet app, operating system, or antivirus software, keeping your software up to date is crucial for security. Developers regularly release updates to patch vulnerabilities and strengthen the security of their platforms. 7. Avoid public Wi-Fi for crypto transactions. Public Wi-Fi networks, such as those in coffee shops or airports, are not secure and can be easily exploited by cybercriminals to intercept your internet traffic. If you're using public Wi-Fi to access your cryptocurrency accounts, you're potentially exposing yourself to man-in-the-middle attacks, where hackers can intercept your login credentials or transaction data. 8. Diversify your investments. One of the most important strategies for securing your cryptocurrency portfolio is diversification. Just as in traditional investing, diversification helps minimize risk by spreading your investments across different assets. Don't put all your crypto into one coin or one wallet. Consider holding a mix of different cryptocurrencies, especially those with proven track records and security features. You might also want to diversify across different types of wallets. Cold wallets for long-term storage and hot wallets for smaller, more accessible amounts. 9. Regularly monitor your accounts. Security doesn't stop once you've set up your crypto accounts and wallets. It's essential to regularly monitor your cryptocurrency holdings for any unusual or suspicious activity. Many exchanges and wallet apps offer features like account activity logs or alerts to notify you of any changes or login attempts. 10. Be cautious when sharing your crypto knowledge. Lastly, be cautious about who you share your cryptocurrency knowledge with. Don't advertise your holdings or discuss your investments openly in public forums or on social media. The less people know about your crypto holdings, the less likely you are to become a target for scams or theft. As cryptocurrency becomes more mainstream, the risks associated with holding digital assets increase. However, by following the best practices outlined in this video, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of falling victim to hacks, scams, and other security threats. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.